Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial here on IT.Tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. I invite you to another challenging problem in Python here on IT.Tutorials. This time I challenge you to make an application which will calculate the length of the string or text typed from your keyboard. So let's run this up, and here you go. Let's type something from my keyboard, like my first name and surname, for instance. Yeah, enter, and here you go. Here is the length of the string typed from keyboard. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you want to stop your video and try on your own to sort this out, it's up to you. If not, just follow what I'm doing in a few seconds. All right, so let's make this application then. First of all, we have to use a variable, for example, this a variable, which will be assigned by the text or the string typed from the keyboard. Therefore, I'm going to use this function input parentheses. Inside the parentheses, I'm going to write a text like type something. Yeah, here we go. Another variable b, which will be assigned by the value representing the length of the string typed from the keyboard. Therefore, I'm going to use this function len parentheses, and inside the parentheses a variable which, as I told you, holds the text typed from the keyboard, yeah, on this line of code. Yeah. Okay, now we have to print out the length of the text typed from the keyboard using print function parentheses, and inside the parentheses here for this function print I'm going to use a b variable, because b variable holds the length of the text typed from keyboard, yeah, as you can see. So let's run this up now. Here you go. Let's type something. I'm going to type like hello IT.Tutorials, and this exclamation sign to the end of this string. Enter, and here you go. This is the length of this string, this whole string, yeah, 19. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So be careful, this space, it's part of entire string, so we have to count it, all right? So that's all for today. Hopefully this app will help you to understand this programming language named Python. Thank you for watching this. See you next time. Bye bye.